how to change your profile picture on Hellotalk application. So first open your Hellotalk application, and from here you will find this option. Tap here. Now you will find your name and your profile. So in order to change it, just tap this arrow and scroll up. You will find this your profile. Now from here tap this camera icon and choose your image, and you can uh, reshape the image as well. So all right, just place it in the center and press this OK. So wait a minute for it to load. Now your image, your profile picture has been changed. So yeah, this is how you change profile picture in Hellotalk.